I'm Joe Van Quatham, and our farm name is Van Quatham Farms. We farm approximately 9,000-ish acres, depending on the year. My role here, I kind of do everything, but I would say I focus a lot on production. Anything equipment is pretty much I deal with. The ST8 is the first Salford I've had, and that was 6-ish years ago, maybe more now. And the ST10, we've had this for 5 years. Once you get it calibrated when you buy the machine, honestly, you don't really have to do much. Every year I do have scales on my cart as well, which I recommend to a lot of people. So essentially with my rate controller weight and my scale weight, beginning of the year again, I just do 10 acres as long as it keeps up. Same weight and the same weight on the rate controller. You're pretty much good the whole year. So I have pretty much set it since I bought these things and haven't really touched them. I do most of my planter maintenance. I put them away after the spring. I work on them in the summer and put them away washed and all serviced. So when I pull them out in the spring, there's always a curveball, but it's pretty much ready to plant. And with the Salford, it's pretty easy to maintain just because you can pop the rollers out, you can open the doors wide open, clean out the bin nicely. It's actually fairly easy to wash, drop the doors in the bottom, flush everything out. And I wash just because fertilizer's so bad, wash everything, check bearings on the rollers, and once everything's washed and serviced, if I need any parts, I crown everything. Every solenoid, anything, nothing plastic, but anything steel, I just crown everything, oil it, then grease it, and just make sure all the fertilizer's off, essentially. The durability is great. The stainless, the plastic tanks are awesome. My SD8 has a steel, which we wash and oil, but yeah, the plastic tanks and the stainless is just, you don't really get any problems as long as it's washed and put the oil on it. And yeah, you can keep them looking new for a lot of years if you maintain them right, for sure.